When it comes to local transactions on Offerup, cash is still king. It's the most straightforward and secure way to complete a sale, especially for in-person exchanges. Why? Well, there's no need to worry about chargebacks, frozen accounts, or waiting for funds to clear. Plus, you can't beat the immediacy of cold hard cash. To make your cash transactions as smooth as possible, it's a good idea to bring exact change whenever you can. This saves both you and the seller from fumbling around with bills or searching for spare coins. If you're the buyer, consider stopping at an ATM beforehand to get the precise amount that you need. But what if you don't have an exact change? No worries, there are still a few other options you can consider. You can arrange to meet at a local location where getting change is easy, like near a convenience store or a bank. Some sellers might be willing to meet at their bank where they can deposit the cash immediately and provide change if needed. Now, if you don't have cash, what you could actually do is, I personally prefer Zelle. So Zelle, there's no way that you can charge back. Other people I've actually seen run through PayPal, but with PayPal, it kind of is out of the way as far as like sending transactions through PayPal goes. I personally prefer using Zelle. I've used Cash App, I use Venmo. Those three, Zelle, Cash App, and Venmo, have been my preferred choice as far as using digital transactions go. But if you are taking cash, I highly recommend that you get a counterfeit checker. Not the $100 machine, but rather like a pen that you can write on the bill. And when you write on the bill, it'll actually tell you if the bill is fake or not. I've probably ran into about like $200 worth of fake $20 bills and some fake $100 bills. So be cautious out there. Make sure you check your bills, especially if you're taking cash. I, for one, do prefer cash as well, but if I have to do it digitally, Zelle is my preferred choice. Other means of transacting, like I mentioned before, is Cash App and Venmo. Those two are also pretty good, but be cautious out there. I do have other videos on my channel as far as how to not get scammed on Offerup, so do check it out. I hope you found this video helpful.